Happy New Year, Happy New Year 2021. 2020 has been a very difficult year. Igore rakawoma zvikuru 2020 tikatarisa globally. KuZimbabwe West still tikitarisa nyaya ye-COVID-19 pandemic, the political crisis, the economical issues, and also we saw the highest number of persecutions by prosecutions by the current ZANU-PF government. So things has not been well, hasn't been well globally, but we're still for fragile state where democracy was still, it is infant. Those were hard hit because we saw dictators taking advantage of the COVID-19 in terms of impeaching citizens' rights across the board and abusing also in terms of abusing institutions of government. These could be either the police, the army, the courts. In a country where the courts are captured like Zimbabwe, that exacerbated the crisis in Zimbabwe. So I hope and trust that going forward in the new year, in 2021, we'll be able to find each other and work together for the betterment of our nation. Yes, I do understand, and I think everybody would agree with me that Zimbabwe remains the most polarized nation in Southern Africa for the best reason that it has got a disputed election. It is yet to ratify its own 2013 constitution or to align with its laws, which makes things difficult in the country at the moment. We've seen so many people being arrested, journalists, politicians, civic organizations, at an alarming level that other institutions like the UN and also Amnesty International have voiced their concern, attracting bad publicity in a way. And we hope and trust that in this year of 2021, we'll find each other and redefine the Zimbabwean spirit, Zimbabwean culture, work together for the common good of our nation, and make sure that the politics reflect what they are supposed to be, and that is to work for the people, unite the people, and also to give impetus to nationhood, to development, to good governance, rather than in the past years where politics was used as a fixation against perceived opponents or opposition party. So yes, all out there, let's celebrate 2021.